connect, connection and connector. So dear learners, our today's videos focuses on connector. Connectors. Good morning and welcome to my class. This is Jahanara from Hazab Student Girls School. My dear learners, as the SSC candidates, I know you have a lot of knowledge about the connector. Connector is the most important part of your upcoming English exam. So let's do the connector. It's not a detailed class, it's like a short review class, just reminding brain. Okay, let's move. See the connector. What is connector? At firstly, we know what is connector. Connector is a word that connect two different sentences, phrases or part. Like this. This is one sentence, one part, and this is other part. These two different part of the sentence joining like this. This joining section point is called connector. Dear learners, let's see the example. The first example is I have now. I want to leave dash I can't. I want to leave dash I can't. Just click your brain, try it yourself. I want to leave. Yes, but I can't. I want to leave, but I can't. Good, very good. And this one more example here. I am in cold. I am in cold dash hungry. Just try to do yourself. Yes, 1, 2, 3. I am in cold and excellent and hungry. That's mean আমার খুব ঠান্ডা লেগেছে এবং আমি ক্ষুধার্ত. This give and part here is joining the two part of sentence, two different part. This is one part, this is another part. This is first part, this is another part. So these two different sentence joining with a word or phrase. So this but and end point to connector. Okay, now the last example. She was in pain. She completed her shift. Look at the full sentence. Dash, she was in pain. She completed her shift. Try to one more time. Just play your game. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Though she was in pain, she completed her shift. Good, very good. Though. Here I like to use though or even though. Though or even though. This is excellent. Though or even though. Though and even though she was in complete pain, she completed her shift. Though she was in pain, she completed her shift. Look at the final sentence. Though she was in pain, she completed her shift. Here's the meaning. তার অনেক ব্যথা সত্ত্বেও সে তার শিফটটা পরিপূর্ণ করেছে. Here this point, this attaching point, connecting point, this part and this part joining a complete sense and gives delivered a better thought about the sentence. Look at it. Though or even though this point to connector. I think it's very simple and very clear. Okay, now we look some mostly common connector in our grammar. Let's see the board. Lot of connector, over 100 of connector in our grammar. Common exam. Firstly, in addition, finally, consequently, as, because, why, since, therefore, however, furthermore, but, and as a result, thus 100 of connector in our grammar. This is so simple, this is so clear, this is so nice. Love the grammar and enjoy the English language. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.